Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the dark mode on your Gigaset GX6. For that, you want to go to your settings and then click on display, and right on the top you have the theme mode, and right now it's in the light mode, but you can also put it in the dark mode, and then you see the search bar, for example, is black, and the whole screen is just black, as you can see, obviously. And when you click on automatic, the different themes will automatically switch to dark or light, depending on under what conditions you are. You can also put in a schedule for this, so sunset to sunrise, then it will be the dark theme from sunset to sunrise. If you say schedule, then the light appearance, right now it's set to 6 o'clock in the morning, that's fine, and the dark appearance will turn on at 10 at night. But you can put in any time you like here, and then your phone will automatically switch from the light to the dark theme. That's how you can turn on and off the dark mode on your Gigaset GX6 and also customize the appearance. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.